My name is William Knuth. I'm assistant professor of violin and string area coordinator at the Setner School of Music. I received a grant through the New York State Council of the Arts to fund a new commission by Brazilian-American composer Sergio Assad. Sergio Assad is one of the premier guitarists of the 20th century, 21st century, and he's agreed to make a contribution to a larger project that my duo partner and I, Adam Levin, as Duo Sonidos, violin and guitar chamber music, are putting together of all new music from Brazilian composers. This is the third installment of that project. We have also a piece by Clarice Assad, a Brazilian woman, and João Luis from the Brazil guitar duo. Part of our mission as Duo Sonidos in our life and career has been to promote new music and to diversify the chamber music repertoire that's available, especially chamber music of violin and guitar. This album that we will be recording means a lot to us as it's exploring the music of a different culture and bringing to our concert stage the sounds of Brazil.